colon and colorectal cancer. So colorectal cancer includes cancers both of the colon and the rectum. The colon is your large bowel. The rectum is the end of the large bowel. It traverses across your body from the left side to the right side. It's after your small intestine. And its main function is to help continue processing waste as well as actually reabsorb water in the food that you ate. About 150,000 people will develop a cancer in their colon or rectal a year in the United States. The reason for someone developing a cancer is that something changed in some of the lining cells of the colon that caused them to mutate, or some gene caused a little change where the cell's not acting like it normally started. And so that mutation over time can develop into a polyp. Polyps are precursors to colon cancer. Not all polyps become a cancer, but a fair portion will, which is again why screening colonoscopies are helpful, because if you remove a polyp before it becomes a cancer, then you prevent the patient from getting colorectal cancer. And over time, if a polyp becomes a cancer, then it has a potential to spread. So what we also know is that from the time one cell becomes abnormal in the colon to the time someone has a cancer is somewhere between 5 and 10 years. It doesn't mean that if you are diagnosed with colorectal cancer 5 years ago, if someone did a colonoscopy, they would necessarily see something. It's just an individual cell becoming abnormal, then becomes a polyp, and some polyps over time, over several years, then can develop to a cancer. But from the first change to the time you actually have a cancer is probably about 5 to 10 years.